But first, what I want to work on is getting this forge off of those cinder blocks. And what my idea is to take this old charcoal grill I got and turn it into a forge stand. So my idea is to take the lid, I'm going to unscrew the lid from, or actually it's not even screws, it's just pins. That's convenient. So I'm going to unpin the lid off of the top here, and then I'm going to take the smoker box off and just be left with the blank top, legs, and this shelf here. I'm going to wire brush all this rust off and repaint it with some high heat resistant matte black spray paint. That's what I'm going to work on first, so I have the forge up on the stand, and then this gives my forge, I think, is 16 inches long, and this is 20, I believe, something like that, maybe a little more. This gives me room in the front and back for some fire bricks that I bought, and I also have this front shelf, which will be nice, but I got to figure out how to get the forge flush with the shelf. So that's what I'm going to work on first, is this stand, get the forge off of those cinder blocks, and do something cool, make those tongs. So after doing some thinking, this is what I came up with. And I don't know why I didn't record this process. I don't know where my head was at, but I found a piece of diamond plate, and I didn't have a cutoff wheel for an angle grinder, or I couldn't find one at least. But luckily I could just bend it over like that. Not ideal. I'm not asking for pretty, I guess. I'm asking for functional. This is a good start. I kind of like that. It's functional, easy. These bricks can easily just lean out of the way if I need more room in the back. You know, I don't know. Well, I'm kind of figuring it out, what I want to do, but I like it. I'm going to finish kind of cleaning up the surface of the grill, and then spray that high heat resistant spray paint on it, and we should be good to go with that, and I can start working with it. And I'll make some modifications to the stand over time, but I think just right now I'm looking for function, and I think that's pretty functional. All right, so there it is. I wish the light was a little better in here, but I like how it turned out. It's mobile. I can take it out of the shed. I'm gonna probably set it where that box is there. I'll set it out there while I have it on, and then just come back into the anvil. I'll have to figure that out, but I like how it turned out. It's not flush with the shelf, but it's close enough, I think, to do what I want it to do, and maybe I'll figure something better out. But all in all, I like it. All right, so I brought the stand outside. You could better see it. This is where I'll be doing my forging. And then I got a screw set here to hold the line so it's safely away from the forge. So what I'll be standing in the shed here. I'll be able to, let me grab a piece of metal here I've got. I'll be able to have it in the fire like so. Be able to take it out, turn to my anvil, and that's like one step. Be able to turn and start working here. So I like it. I'm only one step away between the anvil. Turn, one step, stick the piece in the fire. So all in all, I'm happy with it. It's gonna be an awesome stand, and I can take it in and out of this shed so it doesn't overheat. But there it is, she's finished. So now I can start working on those tongs.